1. Don't miss the opportunity to purchase the stunning 1980 Oldsmobile Regency for just $10,000. With a mileage of 51,851 miles, this Oldsmobile Regency is the perfect choice for classic car enthusiasts, providing unique style and excellent condition. This Oldsmobile 98 Regency is in excellent condition considering its age and has never been exposed to snow. The car is completely original, which gets it a special appeal and value. The owner even kept the original tires from the dealer, which emphasizes the care of the car. The blue exterior and the interior in the same style create a consistent image that emphasizes the elegance of this car. With an automatic transmission and low mileage, this car is not only a stylish collector's item, but also an excellent option for daily use. The clean title, the absence of serious damage and problems make this Oldsmobile Regency an attractive choice for those who are looking for a reliable and stylish car. If you are ready to add a piece of Oldsmobile history to your collection, this car is the perfect choice. Do not miss the opportunity to become the owner of this magnificent car. 2. At the moment, a magnificent 1975 Ford Thunderbird is on sale for just $8,900. Fitting into the 6th generation of the famous Thunderbird, this car offers not only style and luxury, but also grooming with a minimum mileage of 61,200 miles. The Ford Thunderbird, which debuted in 1955, was the answer to the Chevrolet Corvette. But unlike the latter, the T-Bird was more about style and essence. Dubbed Ford's first personal car, it has been described as a direct descendant of the individual roadsters of the 1930s and was a kind of bouncy grand tour. The 6th generation Thunderbird was sold from 1972 to 1976 and was the sister model of the Lincoln Continental, becoming the largest Thunderbird with a weight of over 5,000 pounds. This 1975 Thunderbird impresses with its silver Starfire painted exterior, with a soft Landau top on the back and a clean burgundy leather interior. The owner invested more than $10,000 in the mechanics of the car, including new tires on factory wheels with decorative hoods, an updated fuel system, a repaired cooling system, new brakes, a new exhaust, and an adjusted carburetor. In addition, the car is equipped with an AM/FM radio, power steering and hydraulic brakes, air conditioning, and cruise control. This car is ready for a walk and immediate enjoyment. If you are looking for a stylish and well-groomed car, this 1975 Ford Thunderbird will be a great addition to your collection. 3. Currently on sale is a magnificent 1982 Mercury Cougar XR7 for just $5,900. This car is a real coveted collector's item with an all-leather interior fresh paint, a well-groomed history, and a small mileage of 110,000 miles. The owner of this Cougar XR7 is the second owner, which guarantees care and loyalty to the car. The car was bought in March in order to participate in the Hot Rod Power Tour, and in recent months it has undergone a number of significant updates to be in excellent shape. The front springs, internal and small steering rods were replaced, and the hub bearings were packed. A new rear axle with a 3.73 transmission, new oil seals and hub bearings has been installed. The transmission was removed and sealed, torque seal, pump seal and O-ring. The filter, oil and gasket were replaced. New crosspieces and a set of ball bearings of the drive shaft are installed. The engine was removed, a new oil sump gasket and a rear oil seal were installed. The brakes have been serviced recently. This Cougar XR7 is a fantastic driving car that has just successfully completed a tedious 2,200-mile journey through the mountains. Although the air conditioner has been removed, the rest of the equipment is still in place. The car also features a digital radio, digital clock, door and light fault indicators, automated locks and interior lighting, as well as an electric trunk drive and LED light. 99% of the car is free of rust, which emphasizes its excellent condition. Don't miss the opportunity to become the proud owner of this amazing car. 4. At the moment, a delightful 1963 Buick Lesabre Custom Sedan is on sale for just $8,900. This car is a real gem, embodying elegance and reliability. A 1963 Buick Lesabre with a powerful 401 nail-head engine is offered in excellent condition. The car has undergone a complete reconstruction of the Dynaflow gearbox for $3,200, which guarantees reliable and smooth operation. The new interior cost $5,500, giving the salon a fresh and well-groomed look. The owner also invested $2,600 in the undercarriage upgrade, including all internal and external steering rods, central traction, and front shock absorbers. All these works have been documented, and the buyer will have numerous receipts on hand confirming the quality of the updates carried out. This car drives like a dream, combining refined design with superior performance. The car is very original and has perfectly preserved its structure. The floor, trunk, and side sills are in exceptionally good condition, testifying to the careful care of the car. 5. At the moment, a beautiful 1952 MG TD Replica is on sale for just $6,900. This car is a real find for fans of classic models, providing an opportunity to enjoy an authentic design and amazing performance. MG TD Replica has an impeccable condition, works perfectly, and is easy to manage. All technical services are carried out in a timely manner, and new tires and brakes make this car even more attractive. A fresh oil change emphasizes the care of his work. The car is built on a 1952 Super Beetle chassis, which adds to its sense of authenticity and reliability. A box with additional spare parts is supplied with the car, which is an additional plus for the future owner. 100% readiness for road adventures is another advantage of this car. The new owner will receive a car with a clean title, which is already ready for use. Do not miss the opportunity to purchase this magnificent car for $6,900, which will provide you with a unique driving experience and real pleasure from owning a classic car. 6. Currently on sale is an amazing 1951 Oldsmobile Rocket 88 for just $6,500. This car is a real rare find for collectors and lovers of classic cars. With this car, only 29,000 miles have been traveled, which makes it not only stylish but also perfectly preserved. The automatic transmission ensures comfortable driving, adding a touch of nostalgia to every trip. The exterior of the car is made in green, emphasizing its elegance. This car runs on gasoline and has 2 previous owners, which gives it additional historical value. Every detail of this Oldsmobile Rocket 88 is original, including even the tires. It currently requires a 6V coil to run, but this is an easily fixable flaw that won't affect its collectible value. This car has a clean title, has no significant damage and problems. If you appreciate vintage cars with history, this car may be your ideal choice. Do not miss the opportunity to become the owner of this pearl for $6,500 and feel the spirit of automotive elegance of the past decades. 7. At the moment, a unique 1982 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe is on sale at a price of only $3,600. This car is a real piece of history wrapped in an elegant style. Having traveled 95,000 miles, this car is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior color of the car is deep blue, which gives it an exquisite look. The interior is also made in blue tones, creating an atmosphere of comfort and style. This Cadillac Eldorado is not just a car, but also an opportunity to purchase a piece of automotive history at an affordable price. For all its greatness, it remains accessible to those who appreciate unique cars. Don't miss the chance to become the owner of this car for $3,600 and enjoy the rides in style and comfort that this icon of the automotive world offers. 8. At the moment, a unique 1977 Oldsmobile 98 is on sale at a price of only $7,250. This car is a true legend among classic models, representing a magnificent combination of originality and preserved history. Having traveled 42,000 miles, this car is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior color of the car is golden, which adds charm and style to it. The fact that this car has been garaged for most of its life makes it in almost perfect condition. This car is an exceptional example that has preserved its pristine beauty and originality. He admires not only his appearance, but also the comfort of driving. A new battery and an oil change emphasize the care of its technical condition. Don't miss the unique opportunity to purchase this Oldsmobile 98 for $7,250 and enjoy the comfort and style that this classic model offers. 9. At the moment, a unique 1965 Ford Thunderbird is on sale at a price of only $10,000. This car is a real rare find, combining the originality of the paint and transmission, excellent technical condition, and preservation in its original form. This Thunderbird made an impression by going the way of preserving its original paintwork and drive system. Entirely original paint creates a unique style, although there are small chips in different places, which gives the car a special character. Equipped with power steering, power brakes, electric windows, and air conditioning, this Thunderbird provides comfort and convenience of driving. Although the air conditioner requires charging, the interior is in excellent condition, very well maintained and clean. This car is a great opportunity to purchase a collectible Ford Thunderbird with a unique history for just $10,000. Located in Valley Center, California, it is ready to impress its future owner with its unique style and reliability. Assistance in organizing delivery around the world is possible. 10. Right now, you can buy a 1950 Buick Roadmaster for just $6,000. This stunning car with a straight-8 engine and an automatic transmission is already ready to launch, although it needs a little care to become street-ready again. Bring a trailer, and this car is yours. The interior of this Roadmaster has been recently updated. The seats, ceiling, and door upholstery sparkle with freshness. All the chrome for installation is in the trunk, ready for installation. The car comes with a clean title and is ready for new adventures on the roads. This 1950 Buick Roadmaster is not just a car, it's a true legend, ready to get back on the road after a small investment. For $6,000, this is a unique opportunity to take possession of a historical artifact that is ready to give you a unique automotive experience.